Have you finally received your Form 16? Then what is bothering you to file your income tax return? Are you confused in selecting the best suitable tax regime, or do you need the tax saving assistance? No matter how complicated your return is, ClearTax will make it easy for you. Wondering how? Then please keep on watching. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clio. We have assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers. Do subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of financial concepts. In this video, let me show you how you can file ITR-1 yourself in a hassle-free manner. Before we start, let us know who should file ITR for the income earned in financial year 2021-22. Since tax is deducted from most of the payments, recipients of such income like salaries and interest on bank deposits are under the impression that they are not required to file their income tax return, that is ITR. It is important to note that the payment of tax and filing of an ITR are two separate legal obligations independent of each other. There are income and non-income criteria that mandates you to file an ITR. If you are an individual, you are obligated to file an ITR in the prescribed form if your gross taxable income, that is income calculated before Chapter 6A deductions of the Act during the financial year 2021-22 exceeds the basic exemption limit. For FY 2020-21, the total income up to Rs 2.5 lakh is not subject to tax for an individual. Such threshold income for a resident senior citizen age of 60 years or more is Rs 3 lakh and resident super senior citizens age of 80 years or more is Rs 5 lakh.
Further, an individual whose income is not chargeable to tax but fulfills one or more conditions specified here is obligated to furnish his return of income. The first condition is if you have deposited an amount or aggregates of an amount exceeding Rs 1 crore in one or more current accounts. The second condition is if you have incurred expenditure of an amount or aggregate of amount exceeding Rs 2 lakh for travel to a foreign country for yourself or any other person, and another condition is if you have incurred expenditure of amount or aggregate of amount exceeding Rs 1 lakh on consumption of electricity. Recently, the government has added a few more criteria for mandatory filing of ITR. These conditions are listed here. If during the financial year your total business sales or gross receipts exceed Rs 60 lakh, or if your total professional gross receipts exceed Rs 10 lakh, or the aggregate of TDS and TCS is Rs 25,000 or more, in the case of senior citizens, an increased limit of Rs 50,000 shall apply, or if total deposits in one or more savings bank accounts are Rs 50 lakh or more, you are mandatorily required to file ITR.
The government has notified 7 ITR forms for the AY 2022-23. Let us know who is required to file ITR-1. ITR-1 can be filed by resident individuals only.
The individuals earning salary or pension income have to file a return in ITR-1. Apart from salary income, the individuals having income from other sources, income earned from single house property and agricultural income less than Rs 5,000 can file return in ITR-1.
But ITR-1 has certain limitations.
If you have total income above Rs 50 lakh or taxable capital gains, or if you have income from business or profession, you cannot file ITR-1 in this form. All other criteria are mentioned on the screen. To know more, we have provided the link in the description box below.
So, are you liable to file ITR-1? Please comment yes in the comment section below.
Step 1. Log in to your ClearTax account. Click on Upload Form 16 PDF if you have your Form 16 in PDF format. We also provide the option to continue without Form 16. Let's understand how to file a return by uploading the Form 16. You can upload the PDF format of Form 16 and you can even upload the password protected Form 16. On uploading the form, you can see the summary of your salary. Note that if you have worked with more than one employer, then you have an option to upload multiple Form 16s. Once you have proceeded to e-filing, you can see the employer's details. You can manually edit and update your salary details by clicking on Edit Salary Details. Step 2 is to enter your personal information. Enter your name, date of birth and father's name under Permanent Information section. Also select gender and marital status. The information should be as per PAN or Aadhaar. In step 3, in the next section, file your address with PIN code. Ensure that you fill all the mandatory fields. After you fill in the address, go to the registration tab. To enable autofilling of the personal information, link your PAN by choosing the IT department number or Aadhaar number to receive the OTP for verification. After OTP verification, the personal information will be imported from the income tax department. Now the next step is to enter other income details. You can enter details of income from house property and other income sources and proceed for e-filing. Now go to the deductions tab and verify your investment details captured as per the uploaded Form 16. You can edit the investment details for claiming additional deductions, that is LIC, PPF, etc. and claim tax benefits here. Do you have kids? Claim benefits on their tuition fees under Section 80C. On the next tab, edit the details of taxes paid. The TDS details will be automatically captured from the income tax portal. However, you can edit the details if required. It will now redirect you to the view of summary of details filled. Scroll down below and you can go through all the details filled by you in each section and edit any of these items. At this stage, we also recommend you the best suitable tax regime as per your income tax information provided. The Clear portal allows you to compare and switch the tax regime at this stage. You can view your tax due status in the computation. If there is any tax due to be paid, you need to pay the same and then enter the challan details in order to proceed to e-filing. If you see refund or no tax due here, you can directly proceed to e-file. If the ITR is successfully submitted to the income tax department, you can see the success message as below and acknowledge number will be displayed on the next screen. Once your return is filed, don't forget to e-verify your income tax return. You can now file returns on your mobile phones through the Black app by Clear.
This is how you can file ITR on ClearTax so easily. So why wait? Use our platform to self-file ITR. We also have plans where you can avail expert assistance for return of filing that also provides post-return filing support. Furthermore, we are also available to assist you live online for 100% accurate and transparent filing. I hope this video was helpful for you. For queries related to business or finance, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link that is provided in the description box below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.